Here is a beautiful mother of pearl officer's knife that I just repaired for David Arnold. He purchased this at a really good price because it had a broken small penknife blade, and we were able to take one off a donor knife and attach it to this knife. The blade was actually broke about right where my thumb is. It's a beautiful knife. I also reworked the blade, which had a big notch out up on the tip. So I filed it and polished it. It's got a good walk and talk. Beautiful knife. I had to remove this pin at the bottom and take out the bad blade and replace that, and then I had to make a new pin up with the same diameter and drive it in there and peen it flush to match these other pins. Thanks for watching.